Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis. Finally coming back to you on YDCtv. It is Saturday, June 8th. Sorry again for being gone for so long to anyone who's been looking for me. I've been a little under the weather, still kind of am, but I'm feeling better, and I wanted to do a quick energy medicine exercise. This, unfortunately, is not going to be as quick as I would like it to be because I want to show you a few different things. This is primarily all about things you can do to help you if you have problems with congestion, allergies, sleep apnea, snoring, etc. But also just to let you know, a few of the exercises I'm going to show you after I'm done showing you some of the energy medicine exercises that you can do. I'm going to show you some other exercises I learned from a chiropractor named Dr. Adam Fields. He's got a fantastic YouTube video where he goes into detail, great detail on every single one of these. And the thing I love about his video is it's done in real time. So you can do the full set of exercises with his video. I believe his video is about 10-15 minutes long. If you don't mind sitting there and doing the full set of exercises with him, you'll see the full set. So I will put a link to that up within this video, but I'll also put a link in the description if you'd like to go to that as well. I'm also going to add a couple of energy medicine exercises to the beginning of this because I do energy healing. I love it. It's been a lifesaver for me, so I want to show you a few other things you can do very easily and quickly as well. I'm going to start off with the energy healing exercises. These are things that I learned from Donna Eden's daughters. They're wonderful. Their names are Titania and Dandi Dahlin, which I believe is Dahlin. They're both wonderful as well. So this first one I just want to show you really quickly is something you can do to help prevent allergies, the flu, colds, etc. Just so you know, a lot of these exercises, when I say this, may be a little uncomfortable. It's going to be uncomfortable to the point of almost being painful. That's normal. If it's really sore, it means you probably need to do the exercises more than you could say. But anyway, just want to show you this one really quickly. This is one that Dondi showed. You start off, you can do this with a few fingers, or you can do this with your thumb, but you want to exercise the bone under the jaw going around the face. So start off here, right under the mouth, and just very vigorously to the point of discomfort in some spots. There's going to be some very sensitive spots, more on one side than another perhaps, like right here for me is very almost painful. But you just want to massage all the way back till you get behind where your ear and your neck connect, which is also kind of uncomfortable. But once you get down here, then just pull down and off the chest, rub your hands together, shake them out. That'll shake off any negative energy that you may have picked up in your hand chakras, which are right here. Anyway, that's the first one by Dondi. This next one is by Titania. This is a really good way to help get rid of congestion, particularly navel congestion. This is another one that's going to be kind of uncomfortable. You're going to go to the cheekbones, right underneath the eyes, right to where they start, right at your nose. And either with just your index finger or your index finger and your middle finger, once again, vigorously, in other words, dig to the point of discomfort. Go all the way around the bones, almost straight up to here, right at the edges of the eyes. When you get to your eyes, push down, squeeze, and pull out to the hairline. And then when you get to the hairline, just do a little rub up behind the ears and down. And then when you get here, just go down, sweep off. Sorry, I think I just bumped my microphone, but off the chest. You're getting those negative energies off of your chest, off your system, and out of the hand chakras once again. So those are two energy healing exercises you can do. Now these next ones that I'm going to show you are the ones that I learned by watching Dr. Adam Fields, and I can't do every single one of them, but I'm going to do quite a few. The first one is cheek massage, right near where the nose is. You want to very vigorously, and that again means dig, with your index finger and your middle finger, make little clockwise and counterclockwise motions, and just dig and dig and dig. And yes, this may look ridiculous after a while, but this is very helpful for clearing out congestion. I believe he recommends doing this for a couple of minutes. So I'm not going to do it for that long, but I'm going to do it for a little while. And whether you're breathing in through your mouth or your nose at this point is really up to you. But again, just dig and very, very vigorously massage. I'm just looking to see what the next one is because I don't want to show these in the wrong order. Okay, massage, and now I have knuckles. This next one is kind of uncomfortable. And I believe he being Dr. Adam Fields, even said, I want this to hurt. I don't want this to hurt. But just so you know, by knuckles, I mean the knuckles on your fingers. Bend your index fingers or your middle fingers. Put the knuckles right up against the edges on the outside sides of your nose and push in to the point of discomfort. Actually, I'm going to do this with my index fingers. I think the way he did this, he was kind of holding one finger down here, one middle finger down here, and holding the index fingers in at the nostrils, and you just push in to the point of extreme discomfort. But this can help. You want to hold this position for a while, and I know this will affect the way you sound because I can hear my voice changing right now, so you probably can too. But once again, you want to hold these here to the point of almost pain. Point in towards the nose, right here where the nose meets the head, basically, right at that juncture right there. Just put that knuckle right there and just push in and hold this here. And just try to hold this for a couple of minutes. You don't have to hold your arms out like this. I mean, you can hold your elbows against your sides. You can sit back. You can be in any position you want. You don't have to do this standing or anything because the main focus is right here where your knuckles are. And you want to just hold that in for a little while. I'm just looking to see what the next one is. This is one I'm not going to be able to do for very long, but that's one you want to hold for a few moments. And again, if you want to see this in real time, look at Dr. Adam Fields' video because he does this all in real time. But anyway, you want to go from that one to single nasal breaths, meaning you hold one nostril closed and just breathe in through your nose. Hold your mouth closed if you can. If this is uncomfortable, if you can't do this, that's fine. But if you can, nostril breathing is very, very helpful. It warms the air. If you breathe in through your nose, it warms the air as it goes into your system. This can open up a lot of things for you. So if you can do this, please try it for a few moments. Just either plug it this way or push it in on the side. I actually just prefer just doing this, just blocking it off. Breathe in completely through one side. Do the in-breaths and the out-breaths completely on one side. I'm just going to take 2 more breaths. And now I'm just going to switch to the other side now. So I'm going to hold the other side now. And same thing. I'm just going to do like 4 breaths here. So 4. Okay, 4 breathes in and out. So how many times you want to breathe in and out on one side or the other side is really up to you. I don't know if 4 breaths is enough. It may be good to just do it for a moment, as long as you possibly can on each side is ideal. And once again, if you want to see it in real time, if you want to see someone do it for a really long time, you want to do it alongside with them, Adam Fields, can't recommend that video enough. Anyway, next thing is occipital lifts. I'm skipping around a few of the things that he did here, but occipital lifts is a really good exercise. Just so I can cover too, the way he starts it out, he has a card that comes up in the beginning and it goes throughout the video, and it says ear, nose, eye, throat, and tongue. I believe those are all the things. I may even be missing something here, but those are all of the things involved in these exercises that can help with prevention or just helping you if you have sleep apnea and say you don't have access to a CPAP mask, or if you want to do this instead of using a CPAP mask. These are exercises that he recommended. So again, all of these things involve ear, nose, eye, throat. I'm skipping on the tongue exercises that he did because I can't talk to you and show you the exercises at the same time. He was able to have his video professionally produced so you can actually hear him speak while he's doing the exercises. I cannot do that, so I'm going to skip that. So again, apologies for skipping on that, but just letting you know that is in his video that I'm going to put a link up to off of this one. Anyway, though, one thing I do want to show you is the occipital lifts. Occipital lobe is right back here, so you want to use this part of your hand to go back between the side, the parietal lobe, and the occipital lobe. You're going to hold your head this way, and you're just going to Tilt your head to the side so that your ear is almost pointing up at the ceiling. Hold that position for a little while, and then go to the other side, this way. This is kind of like a neck stretch. This exercises the neck and the throat. You can do this as fast or as slow as you want. I wouldn't recommend doing this too super quickly. I cannot personally, but maybe that'll change sometime. But I'm just going to do this for a little while. Once again, I'm not going to be doing this for anywhere near as long as he does in his video, but just a few times. This is a good exercise for opening up inside the throat and also for the neck. So again, these are occipital lifts. I'm just going to do one more time on both sides. So up and to the side. You can also, if you want, if you need to, you can tilt your head forward or backwards, whatever is comfortable. But again, do this slowly because I don't want anyone to hurt themselves while they're watching this video. I would hate it if I found out someone actually hurt themselves doing anything like this. And anyway, those are the occipital lifts. I'm going to skip on to the next one, which is, let me see, this is one last one. This is something you can do throughout the day, anytime. If you dig around underneath your head, underneath the head, right underneath where the ear is, go back and go down just a little bit. And feel the soft tissue underneath the jaw, right near to where the ear is. Not too far, right? I think I found it on this spot. One thing he mentioned, he said this muscle that we're looking for is very sensitive. It can be much more sensitive on one side than on another, which is very true for me. I find sometimes it's more sensitive on this side, but right now for me it's very sensitive over here. This is called the posterior digastric muscle. Posterior digastric muscle, and it's very tender. And what he said is, he said to do one side at a time using this part of your hands, the tips of your fingers. You can use these three fingers, the index, middle, and ring finger. And you just want to kind of dig. And again, it's going to feel uncomfortable. You can even do it with just your thumb if you want. Just the pad of your thumb. Dig around until you find that sensitive spot. And when you find the sensitive spot, just kind of hold it there. You can also do some digging, what is it? Again, it's vigorous massaging, as they put it, which means, again, kind of dig and rub right into that muscle. And this is something you can do anytime. You can do this sitting anywhere or laying down. You don't have to do this standing, anything like that, but you just want to massage that muscle. And I'm just going to massage a little bit more, but with this part of my hands now. And I think that should be good, hopefully. So I'm just going to leave it there for you. I'm not going to do any of the other exercises he did because, again, I just don't have all of the professional video making skills that he does or he and his team have. So again, I'm going to put a link out to his website. Again, it's Dr. Adam Fields. He's a chiropractor specialist. The other people that I got my energy medicine exercises from are Titania and Dondi Dahlin. I will put information about both of them as well. So I will put links to those videos, and I'll also put the link to his video on my description. And also something should pop up during the video so that if you want to, you can just click out to go to his video directly. I hope this was helpful for you. As always, thank you so much for coming to my video channel. I appreciate it, and I'm sorry again for being so tardy in bringing an actual exercise video to you. I hope this one was helpful. Please let me know in the comments down below. You can also subscribe to my channel if you wish. It's free to do. And all that means is that YouTube will send you videos on occasion whenever I make changes to my channel. That's really it for now. I will be back hopefully next week with some more energy exercise videos. As always, please leave comments down below if there's anything you would like to see me focus on for an energy exercise. Anything Reiki, energy healing, acupressure, anything like that. Just let me know down below. And I guess that's it. Thanks as always for coming. It's really great to see you. I hope you're doing well, and I hope these exercises help you. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Take care. Peace and light. Namaste.